If Microsoft OneNote keeps crashing on your Windows 11 PC, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that can help get it working again. We'll start with a quick restart of the app, then move into safe mode, disable problematic add-ins, and finally repair OneNote and Microsoft 365 if needed. This is one of the easiest ways to troubleshoot crashing issues without jumping straight to advanced fixes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Windows tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard to open Task Manager. This gives you a fast way to check whether OneNote is still running in the background. Once Task Manager opens, look under the Processes tab and find Microsoft OneNote. If you see it listed, right-click it and choose End Task. This closes the app completely and clears out any frozen process that may be causing the crash. After that, try relaunching OneNote and see if it opens normally. If OneNote is still crashing, the next step is to open it in safe mode. Press Windows key and R together to bring up the Run box. In the Run box, type OneNote Safe, then click OK or press Enter. Safe mode starts OneNote with minimal features, which helps us check whether the problem is being caused by an add-in or extension. If OneNote opens successfully in safe mode without crashing, that's a very strong sign that an add-in is the issue. Now, while OneNote is open in safe mode, click File, then Options, and then Add-ins. At the bottom of the window, next to Manage, make sure COM add-ins is selected, then click Go. You'll now see a list of active add-ins. Uncheck all of them, then click OK to save the changes. Disabling add-ins can often fix random crashing problems, especially if one of them is outdated or conflicting with the latest Windows 11 update. Once that's done, close OneNote and open it again normally to test it. If the app is still not behaving properly, the next thing to do is repair the installation itself. Press Windows key and R again, type appwiz.cpl, and press OK. This opens the Programs and Features window, where you can manage installed software on your PC. In the search box, look for OneNote and Microsoft 365. When you find them, right-click each one and choose Repair. If Windows offers both Quick Repair and Online Repair, start with Quick Repair first, because it is faster and usually fixes minor issues. If that doesn't solve the problem, run the more thorough online repair afterward. Once the repair process finishes, restart your computer and open OneNote again. In many cases, that's enough to stop the crashing and get everything working normally again. So to recap, we closed the stuck OneNote process, launched the app in safe mode, disabled troublesome COM add-ins, and repaired OneNote and Microsoft 365 through Windows settings. These steps fix a lot of common OneNote crashing problems on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech fixes, Windows troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.